Everybody, Ryan here with CRKT, and I'm excited to introduce our high-end Zephyr designed by Matthew Lerch. This is going to have Damascus blade steel. Also, it's going to have Damascus here on the inlay with a titanium handle. See on the back side as well. This is featuring a Wharncliffe blade with this really unique stepped milling, not only on the blade, but on the handle itself. On the back side, you can see it has this nice sturdy pocket clip. This does have a small finger tab, so you can deploy it with the flip of a finger. It is running on IKBS ball bearings, so it is super smooth. This is going to be a nice high-end quality piece with really unique texturing and a really nice color combination. What I really appreciate about the Zephyr is that this is Matthew Lerch's most sought after custom, and we are manufacturing it at a much more approachable price. If you're looking for a great EDC knife that couples as an art piece in your pocket, go to CRKT.com and check out the Zephyr, designed by Matthew Lerch and made by CRKT.